Hey, Michael here, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to drastically lower your CPC, which is cost per click on Facebook. If you enjoy my video training content, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest videos whenever I release them. Alright, so with that, let's dive into our content today. Now, CPC, cost per click, is something that we talked about when we talked about the different metrics that you should look for. And in this video specifically, I want to show you the different ways you can actually increase your CTR, which is your click-through rate, to get a lower CPC. So let me pull up my browser right now. Okay. So Canva is a tool that I use all the time to create my ads just because it's so easy to use. I do have Photoshop, but I'm not very good at Photoshop, so I tend to use this software a lot. It's a free software and you can create an account or just log in with Facebook login. So let's log in right now. And once we log in, there is this custom dimensions tab right here. You can enter the different dimensions that you want. Now, Facebook, you can use different dimensions for different placements or ad creatives. There is 1200 by 1200, which is the page post size and dimension that you should use. And also, there's also click to website, which is 1200 by 628. So let's go ahead and do our 1200 by 1200 ad right now. And then let's go ahead and design. All right, so once we are in the system, we have this canvas right here that we can start our design. And the first thing that we need to do is we can either select the layout right here and upload our design, which will be if you click on this button right here, you can upload design, but I already have a design here. So all I have to do is click on that design and drag into this field and it will autofill to 1200 by 1200. All right. But if you don't have this frame right here, which is just a white background, you'll actually have to manually drag into field like this. All right. So it really depends on what you want to do. And I find it pretty easy just to use that frame, so it autofills that whole canvas for me. And right now we have a nice lifestyle shot, which is all right? But what we can do now to enhance this, we can go into, let me see where that is. Go into elements and go into shapes and go ahead and just select one of the shape right here, which is the square. And then I like to put it on the very bottom like that. Okay, and we can move our image up a little bit. And then let's change this color to either black or red. So if we do red, let's go ahead and do that. See, it pops out right now. This is what we call a thumb stopping ad. And what we can do now is to add some text over here. There are some different texts that you want to put. Depending on what promos you have going on, we can do 50% off, today only, right? We can do free shipping. We can do comment yes if you like this or if you wear this. And the cool thing about this text right here, it seems like it doesn't really affect my click cost because Facebook currently don't really like to see text on your description unless it is comment here or say yes or tag someone that will love this. But if you put it onto the ad, it works just fine. So if we have our call to action on the bottom, we can adjust the color to white and we can adjust the font to make it nicer. And then let's just drag that out. And just the simple text and red border on the bottom or the red bar on the bottom will increase your click-through rate by a lot. And once you have more engagement on your ad and more click-through rate, you'll see that your CPC will go down as well. Because all these numbers and metrics that are in Facebook, they're all connected and integrated. So if one goes up, the other will go down, right? So that is just a simple way to create your ad, and Canva is the easiest way to do it. And when we're happy with what we have here, we can simply download this and use it for our ad. All right, so the key things to note on this video is to, if you're doing print on demand, use lifestyle photos. And if you are having an image created for you, just remember to add something that will pop out, that will stand out from the newsfeed, because you want to have people click on the ad so your CPC will get lower down. And if you have a call to action with a nice discount there for your customers, that will intrigue your customer to see more of your site and click through to your website. And once you have your front end metrics all set, when they click to your website, that pixel will start firing and you can gather more data through there, and you can start retargeting depending on what your customers' actions are. Right? If they added to cart but not buy, you can retarget them with another discount or another offer or another product that might be more related or resonate to your customer. So there are different ways to actually get your customers back, but initially you need to click, you need to sell the click and get people to your site and figure out where the loophole or the drop off is so you can get them back to your site. Now go ahead and give this a try, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to get my latest updates whenever I release new videos. All right, with that, I'll see you in the next video.